Keeping up with Shauna Chin and Destiny.
What do they want me do? Go around him and not get nothing? Eh? Fuck do no.
I went to the internet making internet company woman in here, so they only kill. No, sir.
What about put me wish for me there and still put me far down enough man can you know me no sense of fuck. I do not fuck with people if you don't fuck with me, bro. You want company internet and you want to act like say, oh, Shauna just get mad like one demon spirit going on and she just get up and start crab you up. You're not telling people them what you did. You want to make it seem like a girl business. Me give a fuck. If you want to go fuck pussy hole and make girl boom off your face. Me care. Me a girl where we give a girl for fuck. So girl are no problem. So you come on this and come go on like girl a problem. Blood clot though. Eh? Every woman have to do what the blood clot have to do. So when you want to come for me about, me not have to deal with no young boy if you feel blood clot valid. Eh? What the fuck do no? That's all the system now blood clot talk because me I try save this little youth so him can go and start him life and him can go try something rank and save him money. Since I'm the worst, more of see him I gonna be in blood clot best now. That I'm not in his blood clot life.